Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When we see this video, I hope you guys are fine. And yes, it's a weekend. I desperately wait for weekends so that I can explore more and head out, make some videos. So yes, today in the evening we are going to go to Sahara Center, do some shopping there, and then we are going to meet Aru's cousin brother and his wife, and we have some dinner plans with them. So yes, let's go guys. So we met this beautiful couple. He's Pakistani and she's Russian. So the guy works at the shop from where we bought the perfumes. So yeah, it was cute interacting and knowing their story. They are married now. We are at European Bakery now. We thought of buying some pastries. This place you can find on first floor of Sahara Center near gazebo. There's variety of cakes, pastries, donuts, and a lot more. I'm having butterscotch pastry here. Hey guys, happy Sunday. I know this is going to go live on Monday, but yeah, anyways. So कल हमें आते आते काफ़ी देर हो गई and we woke up late in the morning. Of course, it was not morning, it was afternoon because Sundays are pretty chill. हम लोग काफ़ी देर तक बातें करते रहते. Saturday nights are our gossip nights, so Sundays are pretty chill. So yeah, today is Sunday and we have an amazing plan for today. I'm super excited. I really can't wait. Okay, I'll tell you guys.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
So in the last video I had mentioned that we were supposed to go to the beach, but वो cancel हो गया था because of some reason. And finally today we are going to go to the beach. So we are going to this beach. Actually I guess we have to go here, and क्योंकि यहाँ से we could figure that there is some place. यहाँ पे लोग जेटस्की वगैरह भी चलाते हुए दिखे हैं हम लोग को. सो येस, लेट्स सी. वी आर गोइंग वॉकिंग क्योंकि पास में ही है. इट्स अ वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस आई गेस. सो बट ऑफकोर्स वी डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली कहाँ से जा सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, वी विल फिगर आउट सम और द अदर वे. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. वी हैव लेफ्ट. दिस इज ऑल फेक आई फील. ओके, हम लोग निकल गए हैं ममजार बीच की तरफ. एंड यस, वी आर गोइंग वॉकिंग. We have to cross this flyover to reach that side of the road. So on the way there is this Al Mamzar park. तो हम लोग को लगा दैट पार्क के अंदर से भी जा सकते हैं एंड वी माइट फाइंड आउट अ रोड विच वुड कनेक्ट टू द बीच, बट देयर वाज नो रोड. वी हैड टू गो फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड ऑफ द पार्क. One thing I have noticed that you won't find any street dogs on the road, but you will find a lot of cats, and here is one. It's a very big park. There was a basketball court also there. तो हम लोग अभी पार्क के बाहर से बीच की तरफ जा रहे हैं. I guess we just have to cross this road and we will reach closer to the beach. ये road हमारे घर से भी दिखता है. And we are closer to our destination. So finally we are on Mamzar beach. अरू हमेशा बोलता था कि यहाँ पे लोग खुद के जेट स्कीज़ लेके आते हैं, बट आई जस्ट आस्क्ड अ क्वेश्चन बिफोर वी लेफ्ट दैट व्हाट इफ़ वी गॉट अ चांस टू राइड, एंड माई विश केम थ्रू. यहाँ पे आके समझा हमें दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो राइड दिस जेट स्की, एंड दिस वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल जेट स्की. We had to do some formalities before getting on a jet ski ki in case if anything happens it is our own responsibility. I'm not sure with the clarity because our phone is in the waterproof cover and we are on. So यहाँ अरू को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं हाउ टू ऑपरेट द जेट स्की, एंड देन ही आस्क्ड अरू टू टेक अ क्विक ट्रायल राउंड, एंड देयर ही गोज. Later I joined him. मुझे initially काफ़ी डर लग रहा था, especially when he was taking the turns, and later I just had a lot of fun. So cool. The best part is मैंने ऐसे कभी देखा नहीं है कि they are giving jet ski to ride on your own. There is always a guide with you, but यहाँ we were so lucky that we got the experience to ride a jet ski on our own. So it was really nice. Then it was my turn and I was so excited for it. Starting में it was very scary to be honest, but once you get the rhythm, it is so much fun to ride a jet ski. पूरा movies वाला feeling आता है. It was a super weekend. I felt like, wow, finally something new. I had never done jet ski before and it was so good. Then Aru joined me and बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था वो, but yeah, he had no option. So that's how I completed one of my bucket list. It costed us 50 dirhams for 30 minutes. Here you can see the sunset. That's it guys, this was our weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching the video till here, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.